Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Cambridge Maths. Today we are going to solve two questions from Probability and Statistics 1. And these two particular questions belong to paper 9709/51 for the session October-November 24. Let's read question number 4 of this paper. Rahul has two bags, X and Y. Bag X contains four red marbles and two blue marbles. Bag Y contains three red marbles and four blue marbles. Rahul also has a coin which is biased so that the probability of obtaining a head when it is thrown is 1 over 4. Rahul throws the coin. If he obtains a head, he chooses at random a marble from bag X. He notes the color and replaces the marble in bag X. He then chooses at random a second marble from bag X. If he obtains a tail, he chooses at random a marble from bag Y. He notes the color and discards the marble. He then chooses at random a second marble from bag Y. Find the probability that the two marbles that Rahul chooses are the same color. Well, so from the question, we can pick up the keywords or key information. Number one is here probability of head is 1 over 4. So probability of H is going to be 1 over 4. If H is 1 over 4, probability of T is tail obtaining tail is 3 over 4. So this is the first information we can pick up. And when he picks from bag X, look at this, he notes the color and replaces the marble. In case of first bag, X, if he picks up the marble from bag X, it is replaced again. But whenever he takes marble from bag Y, he discards. He doesn't replace. So this is the other key information. Well, now they have told us to find the probability two marbles Rahul chose same color. Okay, so we can start our writing. Probability of same color. Same color. Okay, what are the possibilities of, or what are the possible cases for having same color? Let's see. He may obtain H. Okay, and then first marble might be chosen red, and second one must be red because same color HRR. Or from the first bag or bag X, he may choose both of them blue, H blue blue. Well, so this is about from bag X. The other two cases are where he might obtain tail and he might choose to picks two marbles from bag Y, and both of them may be red or both of them may be blue. Plus probability of tail intersection blue blue. So these are the all possible cases for obtaining, for picking the marbles of same color. Okay, now one after the other we are going to calculate the probabilities. Well, when probability of H is 1 over 4, we have already written here. So 1 over 4, and for having first marble red, let us see how many red marbles were there in the first bag. There were 4 red marbles. So it is going to be 4 over, total 4 plus 2 6. So it is going to be 4 over 6. Okay. Now the second marble, look at this. In case of bag X, it is written he replaces the same marble. If he replaces the marble, the total number and the number of specific color of marble will remain same. So it's all the same, 4 over 6. Look, whenever we replace something again, then the probability doesn't get changed. Well, second one, probability of obtaining H is 1 over 4. And then if he picks up a blue marble, it is going to be, there are two blue marbles, okay? So it is going to be 2 over 6. And second one is also blue marble. As he replaced the first one, so number of probability, probability will remain same, 2 over 6. Well, I think you are getting my points. Well, then next two cases, when he obtains tail, okay, for the probability of tail it is 3 over 4. So 3 over 4, and he is choosing the marbles from bag Y. Well, let's see how many marbles were there in bag Y. There were 3 red marbles and 4 blue marbles. So total 7. If first one is, both of them are red, for red there are 3 red marbles, so it is going to be 3 over 7. And remember, when he picks up a marble from bag Y, he doesn't replace it. So one marble has already gone away. How many are remaining there? There remains 2 blue marbles out of 6, because one marble has been taken away. After that, after that, the last possibility. Well, for obtaining tail is 3 over 4. If he obtains, if he picks a blue marble from second bag, the total there were 7 and number of blue marbles in the second bag were 4. So it is going to be 4 over 7. And as he doesn't replace, so one of the marbles got reduced, and total number of blue marble is going to be 3 out of 6. Well, this is the possible cases of this scenario. Well, now we are going to calculate the probability. Let's see how much is the first probability. First probability is 4 for 16. 16 over 16. 4 6 is 24. 24 6 is 144. 16 over 144 plus 4 over again 144. 144. 144. Then third case. In the third case, probability is 6 2s are 12. 12 over 4 sevens are 28. 6 28s are 168. 168 plus 3 fours are 12, 36. 36 over 168. So we are going to get 144, and it is going to be 20. 20 plus 36 plus 12. 36 plus 12. Sorry, we made a mistake over here. It is actually 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. It is going to be 18. So 18 plus 36 means 54. 54 over 168. Let us find the probability using our calculator. 20 over 144 plus 54 over 168 equal to 0.4603. Sorry, 4603. If we round it up to three significant figures, it is 0.460 is the probability of having two marbles of same color. And I think you got my points as I have explained. Let's move on to question number B. B says, question number B says, find the probability that the two marbles that Rahul chooses are both from bag Y, given that both marbles are blue. So this is, look, the condition is both of them are, first of all, Rahul chooses from bag Y. Look, second bag, and both marbles are blue. So there are two cases, one after the other. We will find if both of them are blue from bag Y, what will happen when both of them P, both of them blue, okay, from bag Y. So Y, it is going to be Y intersection blue blue, okay. Both of them, both of the marbles will be of blue color, and they must be picked up from bag Y. So let us see what are the cases when it is from bag Y and both of them are blue. We can pick up the information from the previous page. Yes, here look at this, both of them are from bag Y and blue. This is the final one. Look, the final probability was both of them from bag Y and the color of both marbles were blue. So this is the fourth one. So probability of fourth case was 36 over 168. So we can just replace this and substitute this value, 36 over 168. 36 over 168. Well, then the second case, both of the marbles are from blue. Then with blue or without blue, let us see what is the probability. If both of them are from blue, P, both of them are blue, okay. If both of them are blue, what are the possible cases? The both the marbles might be picked from the bag A, I mean bag X. So X is actually head and blue blue. If we obtain head, we should not forget that if we obtain head, then we will pick up the marbles from bag blue blue, and we may obtain tail, then we picked up two marbles whose color is blue. So it may be PH blue blue or PT blue blue. Here we can write, we could have written, let me erase this part. If I expand one more step, it could have been probability of T blue blue. Bag Y means actually when we obtain tail, then we pick the marbles from bag Y. So it's T blue blue. T blue blue is equal to what? It is 36 over 168. 168. Well, then if both of them are blue, it might be picked from first bag obtaining H, or it might be picked up from second bag obtaining tail. So let us see PHBB, probability of HBB and probability of TBB. Let us go back to the previous page. Yes, here. Look at this. PHBB. This is one of the probability, that means second one. And TBB we have already obtained, which is 36 over 168. So PHBB is the second one. Second one was 4 over 144. 4 over 144 and 36 over 168. We will just copy this data. So how much is this HBB? As we have seen, it is 4 over 144, and both of them blue TBB, as we have got in the first step also, 36 over 168. Okay, if we simplify this, these are going to be, if we divide 144 by 4, it is going to be 1 over 36. 1 over 36 plus here by 12 we can divide. It is going to be 3 over 12 and 14. Yes, 14. So our LCM is going to be 36 and 14. Our LCM is going to be 252. 252. 252. If we divide 252 by 36, it's 7. So 7 plus, if we divide 252 by 14, it is 18. 3 18s are 54. 54. So finally, our result is going to be, okay, 61 over 252. It is 61 over 252. This is the probability of getting both the blue marbles. Well, now they have told us to, let us go back to our question. What does our question say? Our question is, find the probability that the two marbles that Rahul chooses are both from bag Y, given that both marbles are blue. So Y and blue. How to write this? We will write, let me write just on the right side. Yes, here. With the different ink. So it is both the marbles are from bag Y, given that both of them are blue. Blue, blue. Okay. Equal to, how to write this? It is probability of Y intersection blue, blue over probability of blue, blue irrespective of any more restriction. So we have already found the supporting information. Let us see why blue, blue is what? This one. Look, we have obtained this is as the value of Y intersection blue, blue. So we can write 36 over, let me erase this. 36 over, the numerator is what? 36 over 68. 36 over 168, 168, and numerator denominator is 61 over 252. If we write this in a simplest form, it is going to be 36 over 168, 168 into reversal of the denominator is 252, 252 over 61, 61. Then finally, our result is going to be, let us use our calculator, 36 over 168 into 252 over 61. The final result we are going to get is, yes, equal to 0.885, 0.885. This is what our final answer to this part of the solution. Okay, I think you have understood. So if given that the word given that mentioned, then we will use this formula. Okay, this is the formula. Remember, we should not forget that they have told Y, given that bag Y. Look at this, from bag Y, given that both marbles are blue. So it is actually Y intersection blue, blue over all blues, irrespective of other restrictions. Then we have used our already obtained data. There's a probability of Y intersection blue, blue is 36 over 168, and probability of blue, blue irrespective of any other restriction is 61 over 252. Then finally we have got this as 0.885 as our final probability. Let me show you the previous part of this solution. Yes, so this was the previous part of this solution. Let me erase these unnecessary parts. Well, this is 3 over 7. Don't get confused. I'm trying to erase this unwanted part. It is a multiplication symbol. Well, this is what our total solution is. So let's go through the immediate next question.